Hello everyone, Vanda here of rawandwell. Today I am answering another live question. How long does a detox program last? Okay, I'm going to start here and I hope it's taken in the right way. So, when we go into a detox, we call it a journey, a lifestyle. We want to develop a lifestyle around detox. Detox doesn't happen overnight. It took us decades and even several generations why we are feeling the way we're feeling and why we have come to understand that we need to detox, right? It's not about treating the symptoms, it's about removing the waste accumulation in the body. Waste could be anything from metabolic waste, from things that we consume, that we put on our bodies, that we are around and continue to inhale that, right? Anything that you inhale, you're consuming. The body has to process that. Any negative things that we consume and that we're around, even other people's energies, will affect how long we have to detox for. And so everybody's going to be different. Everybody is going to have their set of problems that they're experiencing or symptoms, and we don't want to treat those symptoms. We want to address the root cause and strengthen that so the body can then get rid of the symptoms. The symptoms are only there it's the body's way of warning us and waking us up. But instead, we want things to happen overnight. We want things to happen, we want instant gratification, right? And that's not what detox is about. Detox is about creating a lifestyle that is sustainable for you at that time, right? And we evolve from there. And that lifestyle, we keep improving 1% better each day. A 1% better version of ourselves today than we were yesterday, right? So to go into this asking, and having that be in our thoughts, it's only going to slow us down even more, right? Because worry and fear are going to interfere with how quickly our bodies can release these obstructions, this accumulation we have created in our bodies, in our lymphatic system, etc., right? All our organs, cells, tissue, everything gets affected. The symptoms are only there again as warnings, right? And so we don't address the symptoms. Therefore, the body has to go through the process of elimination in order for us to resolve a lot of these symptoms and issues that we've created, right? And so the body heals in reverse, and it's like layers, right? Like an onion, and you have to keep pulling away at those layers to get into that root cause, fix that, and then everything else around it falls into place, right? So expecting a result before we've even created a lifestyle around it that's sustainable, that we can follow and continue to grow from, then we're expecting too much. And when we have expectancies, then we set ourselves up for failure and disappointment. Because when we ask that question, how long does, this program, this detox, how long is it going to take, right? That's for our bodies to find out. That's for us to find out, and for our bodies to do the work and determine how long it's going to take. So embracing the process, being patient with ourselves, and understanding and giving our bodies permission to heal, and just continue being consistent on the things that you have to do in order for giving the body the right conditions, in order for the body to give us the results that we're looking for, right? And so that all takes time, patience, embracing the process and going through the process. As long as it takes, that's how long it's going to take. We have to be patient, and we have to embrace the journey as it comes to us, and really start to listen to our bodies and understand how our bodies work, and not have all those questions and fears rolling around before we even get started. So I hope that helps on your journey, and that it will help more people than the single person that asked me this question, and why I've started to come here and other platforms to answer these questions. So when you're searching, you might find me. So definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing lots of more answering questions one at a time, so it's easy to search for, and in a short matter of time, I could perhaps make your journey a little bit easier and more comfortable. With that, much love to you. Bye for now.